Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a simple piano simulator in Scratch. So, to begin, we are going to delete our default sprite and we're going to paint a sprite. So, we're going to have and five keys and five electrical keys. So, five normal and five electric. So, to begin, let's paint the first key in white and the outline 5. The key should be fairly big so that it's easier to make piano, and it should also be very tall. So this is going to be the first key, and I'm just gonna broaden it up a bit. Okay, now if this is the first key, let's make the rest. Now in the codings, we're gonna first change this name to piano. So let's change the name to piano and key A. Okay. After changing that, let's just go to the events and take the when green flag is clicked out. And we're going to add the motion go to x negative 41 and y 66. Now it will always start here. Now that's all we want. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to looks category and take a go to layer block. In the looks category, if you scroll down, you can find this block. Go to front layer, making your character on top of the others. But now you're going to click go to back layer to make your character be down. Okay, so now I'm going to make this simple and just duplicate this and make 5 of them. Okay, and now I'm going to arrange them according to the order. So we can just arrange it however you like. So I'm going to make it arranged. Now we don't have enough space, so let's just move the corners and the keys. And oh, so now we have all 5 keys here. So now we have 5 keys, but we don't have the sound. And before we continue, we're going to go to each sprite and change the X and Y positions. Remove this and get the new one because we can then have the perfect one. So go to everything, remove it and change it to the new one. Okay guys, so 3, everything will be negative 40, so we're going to change it all so that then we won't have any mishaps. So it's done. The last one. Okay, now if you click the green flag, they are in the same place. Now that we know that that's done, let's start adding the sounds for this. So we can go to the sound here and click this category and we can find this record option. Just click that, then you get this screen, and now you're going to click close and go to choose a sound. And once you get this, go to the search option and search the piano, or you could just take the piano from here. So I'm going to go to person and I'm going to find the piano. So you can just scroll down or not scroll down anything. I'm just going to go to the all section and search for the piano. So the first key is going to be A piano. So we're going to take that and we're going to go to the codes and play sound A piano until done. That's the code for the first one. So let's take this out. That's the code for the first one. We'll record it and A piano. So choose the sound and in piano. Code, play sound, a piano, till done. Now, that is only when you play green flag. But we want the piano sound to come when we click on the sprite. To do this, go to the events category and choose the when this sprite clicked option. Now this helps us when your sprite is clicked, it sound plays the sound. So I'm gonna click it and check it. Perfect. Now it's time to create the second one. Again, take the when this sprite is clicked, go to sound and record. And close, choose a record, and this time we have to choose B piano. So it's right here, B piano. You can also search it if you like. Okay, so after taking B piano, play some B piano till done. Now to test this, now let's test the difference. Yes, now that that works, we'll go to the third sprite. Okay, in this sprite, we're again going to take the when this sprite is clicked and sound, record, close, choose the sound, and this time we're gonna choose piano, C piano. Okay, last time we chose B piano, now we're gonna type or find C piano. So C piano is right over here. Choose it, code, place C piano till done. Now let's test it. Oh, so these two work, but then this doesn't. Let's find the reason. This is the third sprite, and the third sprite is actually over here. So what we gotta do is we gotta move these sprites. So that's a simpler way. So this one was in 240. So the fourth sprite should come to 240 and the first sprite should come to the other one. So let's exchange the sprites, and now that we got that done, we have to change the go-to movements again. So let's change it. Okay, now let's click the third key. Okay, now that that works, let's go on for the fourth key. When this sprite clicked, sounds, record, close, choose, and this time we're gonna search for piano D, which will be right over here. D piano. Now, codes, play sound D piano till done. Now let's test all four. Now we just need the last one, piano E. So when the sprite is clicked, sounds, record, piano. So you can easily type it, but you can take it as well. So it's piano E. Okay, guys. So piano E is right over here. And now code, play sound, E piano until done. Now, okay, now that everything is working, let's create the electric keys. Now, it's not that different. So let's just paint another sprite, and it's going to be black. So like this, and let's just make it a bit thicker. and this is one of the keys. We can make it longer if you like. So this is one electric key. So we're going to have 4 electric keys here. So this is the first one. So I'm gonna duplicate them all. So we're gonna have only 4 of these. Okay, so place them in space. So this one's here, and this one's here. Now this one is going to be when green flag is clicked, motions go to X -46 and Y 122, and now go to front layer. This one's going to have the front layer key. Okay, and now in the events, when this sprite is clicked, sound, record, close, choose a sound, and simply we can choose a elect piano. So this is short for A key electric piano. So I'm going to choose this. Make sure you choose A for the first key. So A electric piano, and code play sound A elect piano until done. Now let's test it. Perfect. Now for the next one. When green flag is clicked, go to X57 Y22 looks, go to front layer, sound, play sound, record, close, choose, and this time we're going to choose B electric piano. So that is right here, electric piano, and we'll play B piano, and don't forget when this sprite is clicked. Now for the third one. When green flag is clicked, motion, go to X 154 and Y 123, and looks, go to front layer, events, when this sprite clicked, sound, record, close, choose a sound. This time we're going to choose C. So it's going to be C electric piano. So C electric piano is right around here. C electric piano. Now code, play some C electric piano until done. Now last but not least, when green flag is clicked, motion, go to X 160, 261 and Y 120, looks, go to front layer, events, when the sprite is clicked, sound, record, tap close, choose a sound. Now this time we're going to choose the last one, D electric piano. So that's going to be right down here, D electric piano. So play some D electric piano until done. Now we've finally completed our simulator. All we got to do is full screen, green flag, and play. And that's my video today, and thank you all for watching. Bye bye, and see you next episode.